Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video features how you can wrap 2 or more of the Glimpse Jamaica through word search puzzle books. This gift wrapping method can be used for all occasions. Just change the gift wrapping paper and the card to suit the occasion. Let me demonstrate with 5 books. If you're gifting 2 or more of these books, I recommend that you interlock the covers since they tend to move around a bit because of their glossiness. The width of the paper should be at least 3 times the width of the books. Make a 2-inch or 5.08 centimeters fold at the top of the paper. Turn the folded edge to the top. Fold the paper in 2 to determine its center. Line up the center of the books at the center of the folded top edge. Then fold the right side in a triangle by bringing down the top right side of the paper alongside the right edges of the books. Then crease the paper. Then fold the left side in a triangle by bringing down the top left side of the paper alongside the left edges of the books. Crease the paper. Bring the left flap over the books. Hold it in place tightly. Then bring the right flap over the books. Then fold it back at the center and crease it. Release the flaps. Fold the right creased flap the opposite direction, then crease it. Apply a piece of double-sided tape close to the creased edge. Tightly hold the left flap in place over the books. Then tightly fold the taped side over and seal it. Flip the wrapped books upside down. Close the bottom using double-sided tape. Next, create a paper belt to wrap around the books. Close it with double-sided tape. Then flip the books. Finish off the gift wrapping with a bow. The beauty of this gift wrapping method is that it displays the books without the receiver having to open the gift. If you like this method of gift wrapping, please like and share this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.